keanekaragaman itu bukan merupakan bahaya atau ancaman. Justru karena kita beragam, kita dapat menjadi manusia atau makhluk atau orang yang tolong menolong. Ini merupakan bagi kami dapat hidup damai, sejahtera dengan agama, bangsa, suku yang lain. Saya kira dengan demikian perilaku hidup intoleransi tidak merupakan cerminan dari kehidupan bangsa.
Religions to maintain tolerance. That is why he say the foundation of this country is Pancasila with the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means that we are diverse yet we have to be united. And the second is state from the Christian perspective that diversity is not a threat. In fact, by having the diversity we can.
Kalau kami bertemu dengan sesama Islam, sesama pemimpin agama, kami dapat berhati sedikit dalam merawat atau memelihara kerukunan ini, karena dengan pemahaman yang sama. Namun kami sadari di antara agama-agama ini Islam.
But then to continue, we realize in Islam there is radical Islam, but they don't actually represent all Islam, because there is also radical Christian and also radicalism in other religions. But then we say we have agreed to maintain the harmony regardless to this small group who is trying to bring harmony.
Small things. And the one thing that I'm interested here in Toba is the talk of halal tourism and the importance of pigs in agriculture. Can you talk a little bit about that? What is your feeling about proposals for halal tourism?
Ada hal-hal yang tidak sepakat itu adalah hal-hal yang kecil di antara agama yang berbeda. Dia ingin menanyakan pendapat-pendapat tentang ya Pak, tentang wisata halal dan tentang pentingnya bagi budaya pandangan Bapak terhadap wacana untuk menjadikan Danau Toba ini sebagai kawasan wisata halal seperti apa? You would like them to answer also the question.
Okay. You have to make clear who is who, though.
Yeah.
The names.
Di Thailand, kemudian di Bali, kemudian dipersoalkan tentang makanan yang berkaitan dengan babi. Jadi saya kira bagaimana memang ada yang khusus, kalaupun ada misalnya budaya katakanlah halal, ya silakan, tapi ada juga nggak bisa lepas dari budaya lokal. Jadi jangan karena ada budaya halal sehingga budaya lokal hilang dari Danau Toba, kawasan Danau Toba itu dari saya sendiri.
It's against our nationality. That's against our culture also. It's not only our culture they against, but the national interest also they against. Because we are openly, because we have pluralism, all religion in here. So they can provide their own food. They can provide their own place to worship. But they cannot make exclusive place for themselves. That's again our national interest. So it's not only Batak interest, not only our interest, but that's national interest against the Indonesian policy as a nation unity.
So you wouldn't see an issue of providing halal facilities or diet or things. That would not be a problem if it didn't take over, if there wasn't like an area of the lake.
In every place they can provide their own need. Because it's considered haram or halal.
Right.
They can provide in many places, but cannot make exclusive. If they make it wisata halal, meaning they put it exclusive in one area, in one place, that's against Indonesian policy. Everybody have to be open. We welcome them here. Welcome them. But do not isolate themselves. If they isolate themselves, meaning they against our interest also, Indonesian interest also.
How should we interpret from the Batak side? It's a cultural issue. From the Islamic side, it's a religious issue, and that's kind of the clash. We will be attending the Pig Festival tomorrow. Right? Really with us.
Excellent.
So our youth also join the festival. Enjoy them. Not all of us not join.
What we can discuss here next is the following.
Mau saya naik?
Semua kami tahu.
It's having spent a little time now at the lake, at least the part of the lake closest to us, to here, it looks like it is an area that is really in need of economic development. Is that an issue for the church? Is that something that you work?
Dia perhatikan kayaknya masyarakat di sini itu masih punya masalah dengan ekonomi. Apakah gereja sedang punya program untuk meningkatkan perekonomian warga? Bagaimana?
Ya, pastilah karena kita memahami bahwa kehidupan di daerah ini sangat miskin atau manusia mempunyai hanya bidang kultural, bidang tentang kita misalnya pengembangan masyarakat selama berusaha untuk bagaimana meningkatkan ekonomi, paling tidak memiliki kesadaran supaya dapat dengan baik secara ekonomi. Itu yang kita usahakan.
Ya, termasuk juga wisata ini, jangan kita gereja juga menyambut wisata ini, ya. Kita tidak tertutup untuk kemajuan wisata ini, karena ini juga bisa meningkatkan status sosial ekonomi rakyat.
Oh ya,
Yes,
he is the head of the colonial department. So you can talk to him
Some ceremony closing.
because
yes, I can tell you need to go. And yet this is, I don't want to take up any more of your time.
okay.
So thank you.
Terima kasih. Tapi kita masih